What's up everybody, thanks for joining me on this epic collaboration with Cultured Caitlin. She's legit a fly foodie. Have you seen her video in Korea? You should go check it out. So today, I'm going to be making the ultimate grilled cheese sandwich. Join me in the kitchen as I make it. Let's go! So this is candied bacon. It has some peppercorns on it. We got some fresh Italian bread made from scratch, a whole tomato. I got cheddar cheese, pepper jack, and mozzarella cheese. And over here, we got some butter and garlic powder. Slice our bread in 3, 2, 1. Now we're gonna make some thick slices from our tomato in 3, 2, 1. So now we have our bread, our sliced tomatoes, and our butter. We're just gonna add the garlic powder to it and mix it in. So now I'm gonna just apply a thick layer of this butter onto the bread. Nice thick layer so we get a really beautiful golden color on the outside. So now we got our bread. What we're gonna do is we're gonna open it up and start building it. I put on our cheddar cheese. So put on a generous amount of cheddar cheese and the mozzarella. 2 slices of mozz. Cool. Then our tomatoes. 3 nice thick slices of candied bacon. And then now we're just gonna add our pepper jack cheese and load it up with some more cheddar cheese. So now we're gonna put our grilled cheese right on the grill. Ooh, hear that sizzle. I'm just gonna get some beautiful grill marks, flip it, 5 minutes on each side, and it will be all good. So now we're gonna make the flip. Oh wow, look at that. Awesomeness. Our ultimate grilled cheese is done. Now it's time to dig in. Look at that juicy grilled cheese.
Hey YouTube, Cultured Caitlin here. I am so honored to be doing this collab with Chef Java. He is an amazing chef. I love his stuff, his posts, his pictures, everything. And so today I will be showing you how I make chicken tenders. And I can make chicken tenders several different ways, but today I'll show you how to make them in an air fryer. So we are going to have a cornflakes crust today. So I literally just took some cornflakes, plain cornflakes, put them in a bag, and I crushed them. To show you how I crushed them, I just took a rolling pin, rolled over it a few times. Okay, and so I already have my chicken tenders soaking in buttermilk. I just bought the chicken tenders from the grocery store, and I seasoned them with salt, pepper, and onion powder. And then I just soaked them with some buttermilk for about 3 hours to let them marinate. So they are ready. Our cornflake crust is ready. I also have a little flour here that I'm gonna put on it. And then I do need to make just a quick egg wash. Oh, that looks good already. The cornflakes kind of make it look like it's already fried. I'm just gonna take a little bit of olive oil spray and spray it on the inside. I'm just gonna layer these inside the air fryer. keep going until I see the chicken symbol, chicken. So, just gonna hit start. 20 minutes, my chicken tenders should be done, but I will stop them at 10 minutes halfway through so that I can flip them over. So our chicken tenders are done. I have plated them up. I have put my nice warm honey mustard in here, and now all I have to do is taste test. They look really good. You can't even tell that they're not truly fried in oil. So that's the thing I love about the air fryer. It's healthy, it's just as tasty, they're nice and crispy. So good. Crispy, perfect, juicy. Let me know if you try this recipe at home. Hope you enjoy. Bye.